I'm so excited. Oh my God. Be sure to like and subscribe. It says the Louis Vuitton. This one that I'm opening first is the 6 key ring. I think it's called 6 key ring holder. And it comes with this little thing, which is your receipt. It's the envelope. And it just says Louis Vuitton, and then I guess the return packaging thing. Oh, and then the receipt for exchanges and stuff. Alrighty, and then my little teeny tiny box. So I bought this one from the website. It was sold out, but finally I kept like refreshing it and checking it each day, and then I finally saw it online that it was available. So I started freaking out, so I ordered it. So this is the little box. Look how cute it is. Oh my God. Then it has a little card. Oh, it's a little card. It's a little card. Oh my God, how cute is that? Alright, so I'm taking off my little ribbon, because I can just slide it over. So I'm sliding it, and then this is like a little duster, I think it's called. A little dusty pouch. And this is my little key thing. Oh. And then it's just a key holder. And I think you like squeeze this part here and it slides out. I don't know, I have to play with it. From what I was watching, I saw like people squeeze this and then this comes out, and then you can take these off. But it smells so good. And then you can put maybe like your ID, or I'm not gonna put your ID, but some kind of card or something in here if you wanted to. But it's so cute. Look, look, look. I'm so excited. And then it says, I guess, Louis Vuitton here. Okay, that's it for now. I'll be back with my part 2.